The following production is the CNC 2025 Summer Games Playoffs.
Who's calling it? Who's calling it? Who's calling it? Who? Yeah. OVO Sound 2025. Who's calling it?
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Andy? Was it Danny? Is it Party? Where's the function?
Where the function? Where the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a fine home, and that's real. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me. Leaving me. We got sticks in the club illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members east of the DVP. We got members west on the 401. We got a lock on the game, but there's more to come. You gotta pot that till the morning come. You want shots for the girls, then order some. Who's calling it? Who's calling it? Who's calling it? Who's calling it? Who? Hey.
Is it
Stacy?
Is it
Becky?
Is it
Keisha?
Is it
Ashley?
Was it
Danny?
Is it
Party?
Where's the function?
Where the function? Where the function?
Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shaking in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. In the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Hey, how many in this club? Who's calling it? Who's calling it? Who's calling it? Who's calling it? Who? Yeah. OVO Sound 2025. Who's calling it?
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Andy? Was it Danny? Is it Party? Where's the function?
Where the function?
It's Cedric again. Yo, it is. Yes, indeed. Use the hashtag CNC 2025 Summer Games Playoffs. It is game 1 of the CNC 2025 Summer Games Playoffs. If you have not watched
hitting the camera.
Yo, Connor just hit the camera and ended the video, but here we go. Actually, let's start. Here are the playoffs. This is the high. Go, man. A jump ball. And Cedric will get it. That's not out of bounds. Here we go. For sure. 3, no commentating for JC. That didn't score. And I thought no good. Rebound by Cedric. It's 0-0. Cedric. The 3. There goes Connor. Who will score first in the playoffs? Best of 7 series. 30, no time limits. Cedric was at 3. Connor! No good. Cedric is at 3. Got it! 3-0. Connor, no, 2-pointer. 3-2, started off. Versus 30 here. Connor! Oh, good. Cedric to be set. Type of choose. Cedric at 3. What up, bar? What up?
Okay.
I think we need to back it up more to get a better view.
No?
Yes, good. Oh no! Connor! No good! It's right back and you will get it. 4-3, Connor.
Winning.
Not from on one, Cedric with 3. Had to light it up, no good. Connor, and makes it 6-3. Cedric with a jumper up, no good. Connor with another, oh, loses that one. Cedric, no, misses the layup. Connor, no good. Cedric with 3 down, 6-5.
6-6.
What do you mean? Yeah. Guys, hey guys, this is a good view. Hold up. I think that's better. I think it's better actually. Pressure from Whitey. Oh my god, I almost made that. God, what about 8-5 Connor. Start off here in game 1. Yeah, the playoffs. Yeah. Connor! Pray about Cedric for last game. Connor, bro. That was the sixth game. Ah! Misses that one. Connor rebound. 8-7. Last Cedric the crossover. Floater up in 9-8.
10-800.
9-8 Cedric. He's leading now by 1. Choose! Cedric for 30. No good. Passes by Connor. He will get it though. And he gets the basket. 10-9 Connor. 11-10 Cedric for that floater. Connor. No good. Cedric with the jump over. No good. Connor touched it. Cat's eye reference and made it. 12-11 here in game 1. Some of the playoffs. Cedric at 3 has to let it up. Oh good, and now Connor gets the 9. Cedric, good. 14-11.
What's the points?
14-11. I'm winning.
Now I'm winning.
Connor ties the game with ties the game with 3. 14-14. For sure. Anyway, we'll be right back, guys. 14-14, here we go. Cedric takes it. Whoa, jump drive 3. Okay. Comes Connor, no. Connor loses that one. Cedric with the floater. No good. Connor, oh, he trips. He goes, Alexis talking, Cedric a 3. Hits it right there. 17-14. Connor though. 17-16 that floor.
Am I
Cedric backs it
winning?
up. No, I'm winning by 1. Now I'm gonna win. 18-17. Yes. Yeah, with the play. No.
I'm so close.
Connor. He's pressured though. Oh, he's faked it on God. Good play.
No.
Good. Cedric with the lead. The playoffs are good. 19-18. There's no.
You touched it.
It'll be Cedric ball though, cause I touched a jacket. I was trying to get the ball. I didn't touch the ball actually, bro.
You did.
No, 19. Wait, Claire, you're winning, right? Wait, wait, huh? Wait, Claire, I made the basket. Is it 19-18? Are you winning? No, I made it. Wait. No, no, Claire, yeah, you're winning. Any more? Oh, bang, back, set, good way. Okay. Connor.
No.
Shh, Connor. Now Cedric will get it back. He's the Florida. Ah, takes the lead. 2019 Cedric. Get by 9. Connor won though. No good. Not bound to be Connor ball. 2019 Cedric. Connor misses the jumper. It's loose. Connor will pick that up. He made that. I mean, he didn't make it. He puts it up. He did not make that 2019. Oh my god, this thing on me. There's something on me. Oh,
This is thing from your shirt.
I know. Cedric had to put it up. No, we didn't have to, but Connor rebound for the lead. And Cedric makes it 22-19.
You winning?
Yeah.
Now I'm winning.
Yo.
Thanks.
Connor. For 2. No good for 2 again. Oh, he hits it 22-21. 24-21, Cedric. 6 points. Just need 2 3-pointers for Cedric to win the first game. Connor, no good. Bangs. It's not out of bounds though. Connor 3. No good. Cedric. No. It's like his soul. Who fell off the rock.
Can you fix it later?
Cedric took a Connor 3 down. That's it. 24-23. Cedric. Cedric with 3. No good. Connor, you picked him right here. Oh, he set the ball at that shot.
It's teams, right?
Got to go fix it. Oh my God, Connor. Hey, hits it for the lead. This is string on my. I'm gonna cut it off later, guys. It's on me, distracting me. And Connor has the lead. 25-24. Good
I'm
night,
gonna say you. I got to not into a basket.
though. So we're counted. Connor touches it last out of bounds. Yeah. Yo.
That's it. Yeah.
26-25. Cedric gets the basket. He needs 4 points. Carter needs 5 points though. Connor! That was gonna hit now. 28-25. Cedric. That layup. He just needs a 2 point for the win. Connor, pressure. Here's a 2-pointer. I'm gonna shit, bro. Good game right here. Any basket for Cedric. Good game. No good. Oh, we caught the ball. The shot. Connor fakes it. For 2 though. Go in. No! We'll lose again. We just love it. Cedric puts it up and no good. I hope we caught a ball 28-25 Cedric. In game 1 Silver Game playoffs. Connor. He's a big clutch one. Fakes it. For 2 though. I didn't live for the win. What are you doing? No! The win! Hits it a bang and he gets it. And that's the game, but we will replay it. I think we might see if I touch it out first. So we'll see, guys. All right, Connor, we have reviewed, and I did. Connor, where are you? Bro. We reviewed the footage, and I made the shot. And Cedric will win game 1. I will win game 1 of the playoff, the summer games. That's Cedric can. Peace.